Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this beautiful 1986 GSXR750. Here we have a Suzuki GSXR750 Slabby. This is a 1986 bike on a D plate with just 30,689 miles. This bike is in lovely standard condition. As you can see from the standard exhaust, there's probably not many GSXR750s kicking around with a standard exhaust on. The bike was actually imported into the UK in 1991, although it is a 1986 model. And it's in good condition for year and mileage, to be perfectly honest with you. The top fairing we believe to be a replacement item, although the paintwork is exactly the same as the rest of the bike and looks absolutely brilliant in this red, white and blue colour scheme. Just come around to this side of the bike. Again, it's in good condition for year and mileage. The forks there's no real marks on any of those. I mean, you could just see some paint flaking off the anti-dive unit there. But the mudguard is all good. Front fairing. There's a couple of small stone chips in the fairing, but as you would expect, you know, the bike is 35 years old now. The front tyre's got plenty of life in it. We will put 12 months MOT on this machine when we sell it, and the bike has recently benefited from a full rebuild and strip of the carburetors. It's just a small crack there where that screw's been slightly over tightened. A very, very light mark on the bar end. It's definitely not been over, but it has just got a little mark on the end, as you'd expect. You know, this bike is, as I said, 35 years old. Just a bit of discoloration in that decal on the petrol tank. As you can see, I'll just show you the mileage there. Hopefully you can pick that out. 30,689. In miles per hour, I think this is a US import rather than a European one. A lot of these bikes are. There's some slight distressing in that decal there on that panel. The rear tyre is all good. The last time this bike was MOT'd, it flew through, no advisories. Got the standard seat cowl there as well, which is a nice touch. There's a few small marks in the sticker on the back there, but really that's all there is to apologise for on this motorcycle. Just tiny little marks and you know, bits of sticker missing, unfortunately. But other than that, it is in excellent order. This panel here, again, same there. Some of the decals come off just where those screws have been tightened up, and a slight mark there in the bulge on the left-hand fairing. But no real corrosion to speak of. In fact, there's no corrosion to speak of. Runs absolutely lovely, which I will show you in a second. Just a mark in that sticker there as well. But overall, a fantastic bike and would be an excellent addition to anyone's collection. I love these old GSXR750s. In fact, I love them so much, I've bought one. Not this one. I have bought a 1988 bike, but I do love these GSXRs, a real affinity for them. So there we go. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also pleased to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful 1980s GSXR750, then please do get in touch, either via the website or on the telephone. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.